isang ano. Bago. Meron dito si Dian. Tsaka si Mage. Wala si ano. Si Ying ginamit. Nasaan ba yun? So, madaming guys. Si Lulu pangit yan. Ito na lang tayo. Ito na lang tayo. Si Ying po. Si Ying yung gamitin ko. Hindi ko po makita yung ano. Kami si Diana Kanyan, Crimson Sniper, Princess Frost, Ying. Ito naman. DJ, Uyi, Kaiser, Wukong, Kui. Ayun lang po yung mga ano, karakter. Ewan ko po kung meron pa silang maraming karakter dito.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds.
Battle that makes me famous.
All
forces, move out!
I can feel a serious taste coming.
First blood. Double kill.
The Honglu Ministry is just after the Phoenix Gate. It's a lively place.
An enemy has been slain.
Yan. So guys, ito po. Honor of King. Gamit ko po si Ying. Maganda yung
Get in line, troublemakers, and I'll take care of you.
Yung recall. Maganda rin. Huwag ka dyan. Pero, princess, patay ka sa damage ka.
Ally has been slain.
Ang sakit mo.
Yay! Shadows.
You have been slain.
Ano kasi ginagawa ni ano? Frost Princess.
Ahem. Dali High Court official business. Keep clear.
Dalawa na po kasi sa ano. May dalawa din po kailangan na ako doon. Kaya nag-ano din si ano.
The Honglu Ministry is just after the Phoenix Gate.
Enemy
It's
has
a
been
lively
slain.
place. Cloud Chaser.
Rampage.
Ay, grabe, akala ko. Umakas ko siya.
Hey, relax.
Nandun
I'm not here to cause any trouble.
An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret. You have been slain.
Maganda pala to si Ying. Hindi ko alam. Bago lang po kasi ako eh. Hindi po ako marunong.
Slain.
The Honglu Ministry is just after the Phoenix Gate. It's a lively place.
po, maganda.
Unstoppable.
Heal pala yun.
The lock says
Killing spree.
I wonder what it means.
Maganda naman. Ginamit si USS. Hindi ko naman napindot. Bakit pindot ko?
Overlord and tyrant have gone. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out. An enemy has been slain.
Balik dito, walang kasama. Ako lang mag-isa. Kamukha ko.
Double kill.
Lang. Mayroong crystal dito. Bagal na ito ah.
Team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
If you run into trouble.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Legendary.
Gamit? Ay, nag-
Yay!
Ay, duro ko maano.
Shut down.
Hindi ko kasi ako marunong ito eh. Ayaw ko kasi ayaw mage.
Charge.
Lagi na.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Slain an enemy. Godlike. Double kill.
Stay down.
Triple kill.
Sayang, magaling. Cross princess.
Fabulous.
Princess. Ang galing. Ang galing. Muna kayo.
Legendary. Enemy has been slain. Shut down.
Namatay po.
Double kill.
Naglag.
Charge.
Hindi, just
Your team has destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Double kill.
Kings po to. Dali lang po to laruin. Madali lang din makatay. Ewan ko po kung may classic
I'm on
dito.
fire.
Rank po kasi ito yung rank po tong laro na ginamit ko.
Unstoppable.
Kira.
Killing spree.
Whoa! I've never seen a weapon like yours.
Godlike.
Interesting.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Fabulous. Your team has destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy. Ace.
It's a normal thing.
An enemy has been slain.
Ano?
Double kill. Slain an enemy. Team has destroyed a turret. Triple kill. Aced.
Nalaman ko lang sa
It's time for your shift.
Enemy has been slain. Aced.
Silver ka pa. Kulit mo.
Team has destroyed a
Napatay
turret.
ko.
Killing spree.
Kala ko mamamatay na. Late
I'm
siya.
coming for you, thieves.
Unstoppable. Shut down. Rampage. Double kill.
Ang galing ah.
Triple kill.
Boy, manyak ka na.
Come find me if you run into trouble.
Maniac pala. Victory.
Victory!
Maganda in fairness. Maganda yung graphics din. Parang ML. Maganda. So guys, matatapos na po tayo. Kakakalagusin ko lang po kasi pag dito naglaro ako kaso inano ko, dinilit ko kasi pangit. MVP po pala yung ano, sino ba to? Si Rose Princess. Tama. Bale, magagaling po sila. Magagaling po. 8 pa lang ako. So, thank you guys.